Hey, so in order to change a dome light, you got to get the cover off. In order to do that, you just go in from this side here with a screwdriver. Normally, I don't have one on me at the moment. So we just take it out like that, and then this side, there's going to be a little bit right there that you have to kind of wiggle out on that side. You'll see here in a second. Okay, so that's the piece right there. We're trying to wiggle that out. We got that out. We can put that back together in a little bit. Here's the light. In order to get this light off, like that. That's the old one. This is the new one. Alright, so there it is. And now all we gotta do is put it back in there. Ooh, it's on. That's scary. Like so. Put this back in there like that. And then we just put this dome cover back on.